Thank you, Clarifion, for gifting this. After using the Clarifion air ionizers for home for several weeks now, I can confidently say that this is one of the most convenient and energy-efficient air purification solutions that I've tried for small indoor spaces. I placed one unit in my bedroom, one in the kitchen, and one in my home office, and the improvement in the air freshness was noticeable within the first 24 hours. What immediately stood out to me was the compact plug-in design combined with the negative ion filtration technology, which works differently from the traditional HEPA air purifiers. Unlike bulky air cleaners that require expensive filter replacements every few months, the Clarifion ionizer operates without replaceable filters. That alone saved me both maintenance time, recurring cost. The unit uses negative ion technology to help reduce airborne particles like dust, smoke, pet dander, and others. In my experience, it performs especially well in smaller rooms around 150 to 250 square feet. One of the biggest decision-making factors for me was the noise level. Many compact air purifiers advertise quiet operation but still produce a noticeable fan hum around 30 to 50 decibels. The Clarifion system is essentially silent because it does not rely on a traditional fan-based motor. In my bedroom, I could sleep without any distracting sound on airflow noise, which made a major difference compared to larger tabletop purifiers that I've used previously. Another feature that I found useful was the maintenance-free operation. Traditional purifiers often require filter replacement, costing $22 to $80 every few months. With Clarifion's filterless negative ion system, there are no recurring replacement costs. Overall, from a user perspective, the Clarifion air ionizers per home delivers excellent value for anyone seeking a quiet, portable, low-maintenance air freshening solution. It may not completely replace a premium HEPA air purifier for large spaces, but for compact rooms and daily odor control, it performs surprisingly effectively while remaining energy efficient, silent, and easy to use.